Eyes are watching, ears are listening, voices are quiet, and bodies are still. Are we all ready to learn?
Yes.
Let's take a deep breath. One more time. Great. Now let's put our learning hats on. Are we all ready to learn?
Yes.
Okay, nice. So today we are going to learn something new in math, okay? And this new subject is called subtraction. Subtraction. Who has any idea of what subtraction is? Sebas.
It's like it's
You want me to come back to you in a little bit? Yeah. Mia Dietrich.
subtraction is menos.
It's minus, and that's the important thing, okay? We learned before how to add, and now we are going to learn how to subtract. So what is this side?
Minus.
Minus. Yes, Zara. Yes, you may. Okay. So this is the minus sign, and we're going to learn a lot of things about subtraction. But first, we're going to watch a short clip about it, okay?
I know what to do.
We're going to repeat, okay? No, sit up and watch it. We're going to repeat. Are you my lights, Emma? Can you please turn the lights off? Guys, let's be quiet. Are we ready? The video is going to start only when you guys are quiet. 1, 2, 3, ready? Let's sing along.
Ho, ho, you will say, when you subtract with a pirate, you always take away. When you subtract with a pirate, you're always getting less. When you subtract with a pirate, you'll find the difference. Ahoy, my buccaneers! This time I'll show you how I subtract me pirate belongings. Once upon a time, I had 8 scary
like the pirate video?
Yes.
Who's my lights? Okay, so what we learned about subtraction is that you're always taking away, right? You are always going to get less. And the result, in this case, it's called the difference, okay? So let's do an exercise that then you're going to do in your worksheet, okay? I'm going to divide you into centers, and we're going to work in different things, but I'll explain them first over here. Everybody understand?
Yes.
Put your thumbs up if you agree and if you're ready to start. Thumbs up? Okay. So, we know about this, right? This is our 10 frame. Okay. So, for the subtraction, I want you guys to think about any number between 1 and 10. Agustina, give me a number between 1 and 10. 5. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do, guys. We're gonna color 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 5 is the number that I'm gonna write here first, okay? 5 minus. Now I need a number that is less than 5.
5.
No, raise your hand and wait in silence. Unay.
0.
Okay, 0. So are we gonna take something away? No. So what is going to be our result? Our difference?
5.
Good job. All right, guys. How about a different number? Different numbers, okay? Be quiet, and I'll call your name if I see you sitting crisscross applesauce. Ready to learn. Okay, Amaya, give me a number that is less than 10.
1.
1. Okay. 9. That's a big one. Okay. So we have 1, 2, count with me, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so that number, that first number, where are we going to write it? Here, here, or here? Here? Okay, so 9 minus, Selena, give me a number that is less than 9. 1. Okay, 1. Sorry, this has to be blue. 1. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Selena is saying that we're going to take how many away?
1.
So we're going to put an X on one of those, okay? How many we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that is our difference, okay? Got it? Very good. So some of you are going to be working with that, okay? Keep that in mind. I'm not going to say who because I want you all to pay attention because then we're going to switch between centers, all right? So first you're going to work for 10 minutes in a center and then I'm going to say switch and then you guys are going to switch, all right?
Okay.
For the next exercise, I'm going to ask Sebas, Josefina, Amaya, and Rafa to go sit down on those chairs. Go sit down on those chairs, the 4 of you. So we're going to do this one together, guys. And this is actually what you're going to do in your math books. You have a lot of pictures of children standing together, sitting down or playing, and it's going to help you to subtract. Sebas, please sit down. Okay, so if we look at them, let's look at them. How many people are sitting on the chairs? So where is that 4 goes? Over here on my board. Where? Here? At the beginning, right? So we're going to write 4, and then we're going to color 4. Then I'm going to ask Amaya, Sebastian, and Josefina to stand up and come over. To stand up. Just stand up there. So how many people are leaving? How many people are coming to us? 3. So 4 minus 3. How many are we going to cross over? 1, 2, 3. So, no, stand up, Josefina. So how many do we have still sitting down?
1.
And Rafa is the one sitting down. You get it? You guys understand?
Yes.
Put your thumbs up if you understand. Okay, volunteers, thank you. Come back to the carpet. Okay, now for the next center, we have a table that has a lot of Unifix cubes, okay? A lot of Unifix cubes, and this is what we're gonna do. Let's count. How many Unifix cubes do I have here?
1, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So where am I going to write the 10?
in the first one.
In the first one, over here, right? So, 10. Then I'm just going to close my eyes and I'm going to take some apart. This one. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 10 minus 7. Okay, you know what? Let's do it drawing. So how many do I have to color if I have 10 first? 10? Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We said 7, right? So how many crosses do I have to put on top?
7.
Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many do I have left without the cross?
3.
So that is my answer, you guys. Is it easy?
Yes.
Easy peasy?
Easy.
Are we ready to work?
Yes.
Yes, Natalia? Go. Okay, this is what we're gonna do, okay? I'm gonna be calling groups and I'm gonna tell you what to do. If you sit on the yellow table, please stand up. Get your pencils and you're gonna work in a worksheet that is the same that we practice over here, okay? It's a 10 counter. And you can get your color pencils as well. Don't forget to get your pencils for writing and your color pencils for the crossing and coloring, okay? If you are in the blue table, you're going to do the same thing. So stand up and get your things. If you are in the red table, you're going to work in your iPads, okay? The IXL exercises are already there. And you have to do it from K1 to K5. If your iPads are on your table, you just need your headphones. If you're in the green table, you're going to work in your math book, please, page 225. You're going to look at the pictures of the kids and you're going to say, and if you're in the orange table, please stand up and go work with the Unifix cube. Your math is in your book already, in your seat already. Okay. You cannot do it? Okay. You guys want me to play that song again? We'll do it once we start working, okay? Guys, don't forget to put your name, color, start color. You can choose whatever number you want. Choose whatever number you want. Get your color pencil, sweetie. Get your color pencil. We're gonna need them. colorear uno, eliges un número que tú quieras. ¿Cuánto? 5, digamos. Entonces aquí escribes 5 y pintas 5. Menos 3, digamos. Le pones 3 cruces encima. ¿Y cuántos te quedan sin cruces? ¿Ok? ¿Entiendes? Dale, mi amor, empieza.
How many?
Keep it. Okay, I can't catch you. Yeah, 2, 5. 2.
Only with the worksheets, okay? Wow, easy peasy. Great job. As a suggestion from my mentor, I decided to include in this video a part where I show you where these exercises that I modeled in the board and with the whole class in the book. The first example I want to give is this exercise. When I talk to the students in the main center, I ask for students to come together and three of them to stand up, so one would stay. And this was exactly modeling this exercise in the book in real life. As you see here, you see 3 students. One is going away, so they have to take away 1, and the result is 2. They go further and they do the same for the next exercise, where there are 4 students in total, which is the number that goes first. 2 are going away, so we take away 2, and the difference is 2. For the last one, we have 5 students, 4 are sitting down, 1 is going away. So we helped students reading the instructions, but it was really helpful for them to see them in real life and experience that problem while doing it. I also wanted to show you the Unifix Cubes problem in some assessment that I'm going to use. This is going to be a summative assessment, and this, for example, this is a girl who clearly understood the problem, and she used colors and the X's that I showed in the board to subtract. For the next exercise, I have another student that had the same technique. This student didn't get all the answers right, so I'm gonna make sure to go back and work with her again. This is a student that also got all the answers correct. She didn't use as many colors as the rest of the students, because the way of her to process this information is different, and I think it's a great way to show how different ways of students learn. And here I also wanted to show a student who really didn't understand the subject, because she was adding instead of subtracting, and I think I have to go back and work the concept again with her from the beginning, as well as with this other student who, as you can see here in the worksheet, he needs a lot of help, because in the first one he got it right, but then he's adding and he's just writing numbers. So this is going to be helpful for my next steps for this lesson. So this is what I wanted to include in this lesson, and thank you. That's it.